Okay, so today I'm making another thumbnail. Let's see how we can make that thumbnail. First, let's just go here, select the usuals, press on Control C, come back here, press on Control V, and they're just right where I want them to be. Now I want that a bit lower. There we go, we're done. Now what else I can do? I don't think I can do anything right now. Let's go back to AutoCAD here. There we go. I do not need all of those. Let me just quickly delete these. Okay, so this is going to be the main part of my thumbnail. Let me just change okay, let's use this particular layer. Take a line just between. There you go. I'm just going to increase the line width now. Let's see, about 1. Yeah, I think that'll do the trick. Let's open up Snipping Tool, and it's here. Okay. Alright, let's take a quick snip. There you go. Let's go back to PowerPoint, paste it here. Let me just readjust the size of it. Okay, let's put it here. Now let's put in some text. Let's see, let's take a word art. Let's take this one. Right here, let's say mirror text in. That's right. AutoCAD. Okay. Let's put it there. Let's select this particular one. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go the text fill. Then let's change the text outline to a bit more reddish color, and let's see if we want a text fill or not. Okay, let's see. I don't want a text fill for the auto, but let's give the CAD a little bit of text fill. Right? Okay, there you go. So we have AutoCAD kind of in a fancy way. Let me just increase the size of the text. Alright. Okay, since I have increased the size of the text, I need to increase the size of this particular image as well. Otherwise, it is going to get neglected. Okay, I think I'm happy with it. So let me just save file. And as always, just go to save files, wherever you want to save it. Give it a name that you want to give it. Then change the save as type to PNG. Click on save. Just this one. And we're done. So yeah, thank you very much for watching.